Hello and welcome to Düsseldorf Caravan Salon 2021. This is Le Voyageur. Le Voyageur is a luxury brand which belongs to Pilote, and as such it is conveniently in competition with Frankia, which is also another luxury brand which belongs to Pilote. This Le Voyageur has the unmistakable and easy to remember name of LVXH 7.9 CF. There's absolutely no way you could forget that, and it expresses the idea of a luxury brand in depth. I just think the LV stands for Le Voyageur, so we're left with XH 7.9 CF. Let's see what the 7.9 might mean. I'm trying to work out what the 7.9 might mean. Anyway, okay, so this has got 4 sitting places, 4 sleeping places, 5 eating places. You can have a television in it. 860 kilos of payload on a 4.5 ton basis, and 170 horsepower. Never mind that. Wait, this is what it costs: 170,590 euros. And it's got what it's. Oh, let's just go into. That's a luxury pack. It costs 39,000. Let's have a look inside. Well, okay. The first thing, see where the fuses are. That's always good to know where the fuses are. I have started. I mean, it's just other people do this, but I have started using the turning the fuses off when I move in to a van. Right, so 170,000 euro van, and it's got 2 burners. It's not a problem for me. So I had to stop speaking because of the music which comes on in the background, and my history site was demonetized because of allegations of using material which wasn't mine, which was totally false as it turned out. But the music which came on in the background then certainly wasn't mine, so I had to stop speaking. Anyway, just giving you a quick musical tour around this van. quite honest, Le Voyageur Heritage, I'm not terribly impressed by that, and I would suggest rather than getting something like that, you get another Pilote brand, which is Frankia. That's my opinion. I'm just having a look around that one right now. Anyway, thanks for watching. All the best from Düsseldorf.